and Baguio City! Nagkakagulo sa Burnham Park. Soggy! Kaya naka-record. Alikdan in Baguio City.
Oh, ayan.
Very nice. Ang tagal ko hindi nakapuntang Baguio, babe.
Ako din. Ah, ikaw nung...
13 years na ako hindi nakapunta. 2013 yung last kong punta ng Baguio.
Mia, mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Say hi to the vlog, Mia girl.
Hi.
Hi! Ang barangay Menjola, Alikdan. Ano ba itong ginagawa natin, babe?
I don't know.
It's ang barangay. Actually, our whole trip has been about our family.
Yeah.
We have the same allotted time with our fam.
Yeah.
Except
So it's
ate.
combined.
Except ate and Kuya Jet. Kasi
It's
sila
always
ano
combined trip para walang mag-sex.
sila. Of course. It's always the best way. First order of business in Baguio. Mag-coffee. Breakfast time ang tropa. Ang tropang gutom.
Ang tropang walang mapuntahan, kakain na lang.
Mukhang kakain nga lang tayo. Pork silog. Pork silog for my with the porky. Yung sa akin naman, I'm waiting for my food. Tapsilog, log, log, log.
A few minutes later.
Oh, sige. Go get. 50 na. Ang strawberry taho. One size.
Paano kumain yan? Oh. T-shirts oh.
Straw only?
Sit down.
Oh, go.
Thank you, sir.
Tara di. Tayo din, syempre. Oh, sige, game. Game. Okay, magpipidal din si Dad. Okay, game. Let's go! Ang mga taga-pidal. Ano, mabigat ba ako? Kaya niyo yan! Kaya mo yan! Ako mamaya. Pa, let's go!
Nakapagod pa. Bigat ni Agat eh.
Okay. Wait lang. Okay, game. Okay, di?
Hawak ka niya.
Hawa ka lang, ha? Okay, Agatom, pidal! Bakit ang loob ng ano? Alalalala!
Oy!
In-overtaken tayo! Alalalala!
Bawal ah.
Daddy, hawak ka.
Oh, nakahawak na ako.
Kala mo naman ang bilis natin. Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! Let's go! Pidal! Pidalin mo!
Hindi pala sila.
Meron akong driver. First time. Siya ang driver. Oh.
Sweet lover.
Driver, sweet lover, ha? Pagod na to. Pagod na to. Pagod na to.
Pagod na, pagod na.
Hi! Hi! Woohoo!
Sabi yun! That's asking you!
Yes, okay, very good.
Siya na po talaga ang aking original driver. So,
Pagod na ako sa aking pagdadrive the whole day.
driver, sweet
Sweet na ba?
lover.
Pagod na ako. Nakapagod.
A few minutes later.
Yay! After, paano ba, no sleep morning, since we got here nga at 5:30 a.m. sa Baguio City, we requested an early check-in with the Airbnb we're staying at. It's a Mirador one-timer house. I think it's called in booking.com and on Airbnb. So, it's good for 25 packs. We are 20 in our group. That's 15 adults and 5 kids. So, happiness naman. It's a huge place. Tapos, meron pa silang, meron silang very sweet pa-welcome drinks thing. So, but we had to pay extra for the early check-in kasi we were supposed to check-in at 2. So, we had to pay extra for the early check-in para makarest na ang mga seniors namin na kasama, mga kids na kasama. So, after that Burnham Park biking, at least may activity na kami in the morning. We got to burn time for breakfast and then yung Burnham nga. So, medyo fruitful naman yung morning before we all got back here to check in. Rest muna, cool down. I will take you on a room tour pero everyone's kind of taken their rooms and beds kasi nga pagod na. Anyway, take you on a room tour. Very highly recommended itong place na to. It's a bit far from the center but still yung details, yung pag-aasikaso kasi nga yung mga ate na nandito, si Ate Juliet who managed the handover, tapos yung kausap ko sa booking.com, I think her name's Miss Ermeline. Very professional and very mabait sila. Okay, so that's the parking. May dalawa kaming sasakyan now, but it's, I think, good for ilang cars pa that could take siguro mga 5-6 carports. And then this is the main entrance. This is the main entrance. May access to the stairs to the veranda. But this is the main glass entrance. Yan, tambayan. You can smoke here. I know they're smoking free dito sa Baguio. But still, sa mga private areas, pwede naman mag-smoke. And then there's grill if you want to grill anything. Kami, wala naman kaming dala. This is the receiving area. Push. O, diba? May couch agad dyan. Guest Wi-Fi is provided. Just scan the QR code. May coffee machine. May artificial na fireplace. Eklavu. O, diba? May bar. Siyempre, cannot consume those there. Pero ang point is they have the entire bar effect. O, diba? O, diba? Slippers here. And then use the house slippers. Kung wala kayong slippers and you're wearing shoes the entire time, meron silang provide na slippers. Then merong, yan, parang dirty kitchen-ish. Also, there's fridge here. Ayan, may fridge. May microwave. Oh, may ice pa nga. So, ayan. Ayan yung receiving area pa lang. And then, you come in. Ito yung proper sala. There's first bathroom here. The first bathroom is also full bath. So, may shower area, may toilet, and then may dining. Lahat ng to can be used. Huwag lang babasagin. Yan. Lahat ng yan. Babasagin yan. And then your kitchen, there's rice cooker, there's ilang galon na ng water, dispenser, fridge ulit. So, dalawang fridge. So, magsha-shopping kayo for fresh produce here sa Baguio. Meron na. Paglalagyan bago kayo makauwi. And then this is also a nice surprise. Wait. See? Look at this. Ay. Ayan siya. There's a video room. There's a video room that can be used by the group. Oh. Complete yan. Video kayo dyan. So parang ang lagay nga is parang hindi na kayo lalabas. And then may CR din sa video room. So, di ba? Kung dito nyo kayo mag-decide mag-drinking session, ayaw nyo nang lumabas. May CR din dito. I think it's soundproof. It's very nice. Di ba? So, meron silang parang rule. Sa rule book dito. Oh, karaoke room. Oh. There's no eating pala inside the room. It doesn't say bawal naman mag-drink. So, bakit pwede? Anyway, yan nga. Lahat complete. Kitchen, you have pots and pans na nandito. Makita ka pa ba? Okay, yan. Mga pots and pans. And then nga, lahat ng mga cutlery, mga utensils, mga glassware. Oh, pichel. Ano pa? So, up to the second floor. And, ayan. Very homey. The kids are here already playing. Look! Say hi! Oh, so you have the couch here. And then you have your toilet. Is someone here? Okay. Your third toilet. And then, hey, don't break anything, ha? Calix. Okay. And then there's the fourth toilet. Yan. Oh, diba? Very nice. Complete yan. Conditioner, shampoo. Ayan. And then, I'll show you the first bedroom. This bedroom. Oh, huh? This bedroom is good for 5. So, you have 2 double beds. May single bed. There's another double bed. And then, meron ito, parang tea something, tea set. Japanese effect. Love it. And also, well, I think it's normal or usual in Baguio na wala namang mga aircon. Cause malamig. So, there's just fan. And then, this is the second bedroom. Okay. Ito naman ay may tig-isang single. Then, you can have futon here. Request a mattress. So, good na siya. That's one. Yan, another bedroom. Another bedroom. We have bunk bed with roll-out foam. Say hi to the vlog. Ayan. So, per family it has been set up. And then, there's another one of the same cot. Meron lang double bed. Ayan, may double bed. Ayan na, tulog na yung mga tao in this bedroom. And then, here is another one. Tulog na rin ata. Ayan. Ganon din yung cot. Hello! So, that's the other cot of the bedroom. And then, last bedroom is the master's. So, this has a queen-size bed or double bed. Ayan! Say hello to the vlog! Yes. Tired na siya, oh. Nakapwesto na siya. So, ito lang yung medyo for the masters. The rest is for groups, sharing. Ayan, wala na akong ilaw. Ay, next is Next, done na with the bedroom, is the veranda. So there's also this veranda. Oh, hi. May natutulog na din. So, JP. Oh, may sala, may couch. Oh, you also have grasses here. You get a view of the street, the road getting here. Uy, is that fog? Or, hindi ko alam kung foggy ba to or may may nagsisiga. Parang foggy. It's foggy. Look at that. Look. Seryosong fog. What? Yes nga, malamig. So, ayun yung, this was the way to the, going to the parking. This is the access to the, parang garden area. For some tambay-tambay time outdoors. Oh my goodness! This is fog! It is so foggy! Look! Hala, ngayon lang namin ito nakita. Biglang, I think bubuhos ang ulan. Hala siya. Pero sakto lang, because we're trying to rest. No. And then this has fairy lights. So I think this opens at night. It turns on at night. Malalaman ko later. The entire place is called Mirador Vacation Homes, I think. But the one-timer house is that one, yung sa amin. Yung nirent namin. Ha! It is so cool! So I'll be sleeping soon. Pero tatambay muna ako dito because I love this weather.
Many hours later.
Try natin na umakyat ng Lourdes Grotto. Tent station na to sa Station of the Cross. Look. May pa Station of the Cross. Honesty policy. Just leave the money there. You also have this. These are brown candles. Yan naman ang meaning ng brown candle. So, we are gonna light some of these candles here. Say our intentions. Haatut, balikat ulo. Oh my God, this is torture to the knees. Torture to the knees of the olds. This is not for the old-legged. We are down here. Taxi time. Okay. Taxi kami to Session Road. At taxi kami to Session Road. Hello, kuya.
Tama ka ba?
Okay.
Sumayaw.
Alright.
Bye-bye!
Taxi time.
See you there. Sabi mo, di bye-bye.
See you there!
Oh.
See ya.
Oh, restaurant. Star Express. Bago dumating na
Ay, sorry.
hotel, mga 2 to 3 blocks.
We're in Session Road. So, naglakad-lakad kami sa Session Road. Napagod agad ang Thunders. So, ang nangyari is, kakain na naman, pero kakakain lang namin. So, we're just having snack while the seniors are having their dinner. We're in a place called 456. Yan, may 456 hot pot, and then 456 na, ano yun, new restaurant in Session Road. So, there you go. So, ayan, kakain muna sila. And then, mamaya, we are going to actual Session Road Night Market. They open at 9 p.m. So, ako hindi ako kakain, mag-ano lang ako. Tusok-tusok, street food. Yeah, boy. So, we bought, what is this? Sunkist. From the, child vendor. Ito lang tayo. Upo lang tayo. Ang bilis mapagod ng mga kasama. Patay. Tomorrow is a park day. They sit, they walk, they sit, they eat. Yan lang. And we will make our own plans in the afternoon and at night. Sila mama din, ganyan din. Mamaya nandiyan na yun sila mama. They'll be here at around 9 p.m. Yan, snack lang. Snack. Bago magpabusog sa night market.
Snack lang daw.
Snack lang. Pero ang dami pa rin in order. Dami pala ng serving. Yan o. So okay na, pero pwede na pwede na mag-rest for the day ang mga tired. Busog na din. Yum. Mas na siya. Shorts, meron joggers, meron shirts, meron windbreakers. Ang dami.
Kakasakay lang daw nila.
What? Oh no. Yan na. Ay, naiwan na ako ng mga kasama ko. Dun, dun, taran. Maxi dress, mixed dress. Mixed dress pala. Kita ko maxi dress. Okay. Ikot-ikot lang tayo here. Ikot-ikot. Parang malamok. Parang nilalamok ako. Okay. We're now in the food market option. Core naman tayo for today.
Yes, ma'am. Meron ako, ma'am. Gaga natin, ma'am?
Sige po.
Ulo.
Thanks, kuya.
Matandaan ka na lang, ma'am?
Ano daw?
Yes, ma'am.
Malalaglag pa.
Meron na?
Nakadami ka na sa akin na.
Ulo. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, ako naman. Gusto ko lang naman ng kwek-kwek. Tana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kwek-kwek.
Sasawan, ma'am.
Magulo to? Iinit nyo?
Minute, ma'am.
Mainit pa?
Sasawan, ma'am. Sasawan, mix.
Mix. Magkano kuya?
50.
50. Okay, wait lang. Yun. Quick. Gaming. Ano siya binili? Here. Ano pa? Ang dami. Ang dami. Yan yung Hungarian. Ito nga yung Hungarian. Hihe. Mamaya ka sa akin. Ito. Dubai Chewy. Laters. Grabe, ang dami. Ito. This is what? Ah, cheesy. Ah, yung 10 yen. Oo. Okay. Ito, mga viral eats here. That one. Yun. 10 won. 10 won coin pancake. The original is 10 yen coin. Original is 10 yen coin sa Japan. Pinagain nila dito. Ang daming cheese. Ang saya. Wow.
Ano yung
Anyway, kakain muna ako. Titignan natin itong kwek-kwek. Wala na akong hands eh. Wait lang. Hindi pala naka-record. Okay, hindi naka-record. Nakaya ka ng kwek-kwek. This is the 10 won. Naka-line ka lang? Naka-line ba? May line ba?
Dapat lang ano sa inyo.
Ayun na, mag-order ka na yun.
Hindi, same lang yan.
Same lang?
Yung mozzarella, overload isa lang.
Isang mozzarella doon.
Mozzarella lang? Okay, so wala palang line for the 10 won. But there's line waiting for their order.
Isang mozzarella? Isang pang mozzarella kayo.
This kwek-kwek is okay. You saw where I bought it.
Ano sa inyo?
Ayan. Napalapit lang nila. Hehe. Bili ka na. Magkano daw? Okay. Tama lang. So, titignan natin ang 10 won pancake. You wanna sit? Okay. We are just looking for a place to sit. Kasi, sikat na ang paa. Here o. Sit muna siya, sit. Sit muna siya. Tired na siya. Kain. Hindi pa siya happy dun sa kanyang corn. Ala, huwag ka lang umulan, father, mother. Okay. Kain muna ako. Ulit. Bye!